Hello, my friends. Welcome back to Devi Daily Yoga. I am excited and delighted to introduce the 30-day Yin Yoga Challenge, and I am thrilled to be your guide on this transformational journey. In the next month, we'll dive into the world of Yin Yoga, spending just 30 minutes on the mat each day. Now, Yin Yoga is not your typical sweaty stretch workout. It is more about finding stillness and balance. Through longer, relaxing poses, we target deep tissues in the body, calming the mind and releasing tension that we tend to hold on to in our bodies. This challenge isn't just about feeling bendy, it's about feeling good and radiant inside. If you commit to the practice every day, you can expect to have better sleep and to feel a sense of calm that flows into every aspect of your life. Whether you are a seasoned yin yogi or new to the practice, this challenge is for anyone looking to reconnect with themselves and to balance their energy. So if you're ready to join me, you can click the link below to sign up for the challenge or just go to challenge.devidaily.com. And when you sign up, you'll receive a daily email with a link to the day's video to help keep you on track. And you'll also receive a calendar, a PDF program guide, and a posture gallery to accompany the practice. Let's make these next 30 days all about self-care, self-discovery, and taking some well-deserved time for ourselves. Get ready to feel amazing. I will see you on the mat.